Assalamualaikum. Hello, my dear students. Actually, today's class is suffix and prefix, and it is for the class 9 and the class 8. Me, Ashik, lecturer English, Joshua Shikha Board Government Model School and College. Now, you have to understand, or in your syllabus, there are suffix and prefix topics, and for this reason, it is the second attempt for the students to understand, to know for me and to learn them about this topic, and that is suffix and prefix. How you will suffix and prefix? Suffix means when you add something or someone after the word, after the root word, then it is called suffix. And if you add something before the word, it is called prefix. So what can you do in your writing? Here it is a passage, and some passages words are important in normal root words, and you have to add in the before or the after, and then you have to add these words or the root words or the keywords, and that is called the suffix and prefix. Here it is about suffix and prefix in this board. I have written all in this board. Number 1, R6 lecture English. Name of the topic suffix and prefix. Okay. So, my boys and the girls for the 8 and class 9, follow the rules and regulations of mine. Here I write down prefix, meaning and the words. What is prefix? Prefix, to add something before the words. And it is a. If you add a before the words, then it is called a suffix based word. And the root word is, and the meaning. First of all, you have to understand the meaning a. A means in, one, not, and without. And you have to add the a before the word, such as abroad, abnormal, avid, atheist, apolitical, etc. And that is the first word, that a. And the second one is AB. I mean AB. The meaning of this AB is away or from. Ab is called away or from. Ab, such as the example is abnormal, abstain, etc. On the other hand, you have to know the word number 3, add. Add. And the meaning of this add is to and near. To near is kase, and it is the add here means lege thaka, adjoin means jog thaka, adopt means অবলম্বন করা. So that is the word, it is the prefix, and add here, adjoin, adopt, etc. all of are the prefix based word. On the other hand, you have to know the number 4, and that is ambi. Ambi means both. When it is ambi, you have to ambi before the word, and that is ambi, and it is called both, such as ambivalent, ambidextrous, etc. are the word. Okay. Number 3, 4. Number 5, anti. What is the means of the anti? Anti means the against and opposition. The against and the opposition are the meaning of this anti. And here the example is anti-historic, anti-biography, anti-bridal, or all of the anti-political and antiseptic and antibiotic, all are the words of this anti-based prefix word. The number 4, 6, arc, ARCS. Arc means the king or the main or the ship. Here RCL, arc is the main word, and the example is architect, and the word is arc founder, architect, and arc based. All of the words are related in this topic. On the other hand, you have to know Vato. Vato means the is totally simple, or it is the self, means nijo. Here Vato is the prefix, and the meaning of this auto is self, such as autobiography means atmajibani, autothrop, autotop, autoportrait means the the person who portrays something is his own self, and that is called autoportrait. On the other hand, the number is 8. B means buy or make, to make something or to establish something or to do something, such as before, beside, below are the example of this suffix. On the other hand, by means two or twice, and it may also be twin. That is called the meaning of this by, and that are the example is bicycle, bilingual. I mean dobhashi, who interprets something or someone or somebody to express the meaning of that the language, that is called bilingual. Okay. Number 10, bio means life, such as biography, biology, etc. All are the suffix based information. So for the students of class 9 as well as class 8, you have to understand this topic, that it is the first part of suffix. Sorry, it is the first condition, or it is the first attempt to know you, to inform you, to learn you that the prefix based word, and that is the perfect one, and it is the part 1. And in the next video I will show you the second one, and they are the B, C, D, E, F, I, Z, all of are the prefix based root words you have to learn, and I will take the next video to inform you, to justify you, to understand you, to learn you, to teach you about this topic. So it is the first attempt to learn you, to teach you about this prefix based word. So my dear students, be safe and stay safe, because coronavirus has thrown his paw in this word. Actually nowadays Joshua is totally locked down, so be safe and stay safe, and and you all want to take the mercy from the omnipotent Allah, and for this reason be sincere about yourselves, and all. Allah Hafiz. Thank you everybody.